like I was saying, as far as like the insurance or whatever, I mean, cause I got cut off. As you see, I got a different little shirt on. So, but it's the same information, just a different day. I'm still in my ride around downtown, waiting on these loads to pop off. But anyway, as far as like the insurance, you can get your own, or you can go through the company. So, I mean, those are the basics. I'm gonna run through it, and then I'm gonna have some more videos of just building a business around the box truck. So, get the information first and foremost. Then once you got that information, get yourself incorporated. Once you didn't establish yourself and your corporation, and you didn't got all the necessary details that we ran over, as far as like the email, the domain, the EIN number, um, the business number, and all those things. Once you done that, and you didn't decided on like which truck. I mean, if you have your own truck, that's best. Or just which company that you want to run through, and you done got yourself insured. Then we're gonna start working on like getting the loads and how you should get the loads and things of this nature. So I just wanted to finish that out because I was definitely cut off yesterday. The wife had called, so I got to answer that. So it definitely and then things got caught up. But I just wanted to finish that off. So do what we do. I'm gonna put some more information out here. Free content. I don't want anything from anybody. I just want you to have the information. All right, peace. I love y'all. Peace.